Good day, students. Today, in this class of English 2, we are going to begin with the topic essay. Our today's topic for essay is television as a weapon of knowledge. Now, you must be thinking how a television can be a weapon of knowledge. Weapon means an instrument or a tool that is used to injure someone or to harm someone. How a weapon can be a source of knowledge? Weapon of knowledge means source of knowledge from which we get information, varieties of information through news, discovery channels, study channels. We also develop many skills, dance skills, art and craft channels, and entertainment channel. Through entertainment channel, we also watch some serials or movies which are related to history, geography, and etc. So let's start writing an essay on topic television as a weapon of knowledge. Students, this is the page of your textbook, essay number 10, television as a weapon of knowledge, page number 117. Can you see a TV where a cartoon is played and a remote is kept to control it? You have to think and elaborate all the points how the television can be a source of knowledge. Students, you have to write an essay in about 12 to 15 lines with the help of your teacher and the questions and suggestions given below. The first suggestion is, how was television invented? Growth and importance of television. How can it affect your life? Fourth one is television as a weapon of knowledge. Students, you have to think over all these 4 suggestions or questions and you have to start writing it. I will help you in giving some points so that you can keep those points and elaborate it in your own words and write an essay on page number 118 of your textbook. So how was television was invented? In England, in 1878, a Scottish amateur scientist, John Logie Baird, successfully transmitted the first TV picture. This television was quickly replaced by the electronic television in the year 1927, when Philo Farnsworth successfully demonstrated electronic television in San Francisco. So this is the history of TV, students, which scientists has worked on it and experimented and how it came into use. The experiment on the television was started in 18th century. Many scientists had worked hard on it, and then finally in 19th century and first 20th century, it was full-fledged. The television was introduced in this world. The second suggestion was growth and importance of television. Television has become one of the most common thing in our day-to-day life, and everyone has a television in their house. Television has become the main source of entertainment, news, and information. Television has brought the whole world into our house within a small box. When we open a news channel on TV, we get so much information about our locality, states, country, and also about the whole world. Yes, students, as TV is available in everybody's house and the whole information we get from that small box. There are various number of channels, different types of news channel in regional language, in English, in Hindi, in Marathi, and we get we get information and we can watch information in whatever language we want to see. It is accessible for everybody and it is easy also to get many things from it. We get informed what is happening in the world and around us. Next is, how can it affect your life? Television has a big impact on the way we spend our free time. It probably affects younger people more than adults as they watch more. TV critics of television claims that TV takes away too much of our free times so that we lack time for other activities like family conversation, reading, getting exercised, etc. Yes, according to the research students, as we spend more of our free time watching TV, cartoons and other shows, we lack communicating with our families, friends, reading the books, newspapers or magazines or getting exercised, as we are sitting continuously in front of that small box which is known as television. Let's see what are the advantages of television, how it is a weapon of knowledge or source of knowledge. Television broadcasts innumerable educational programs that help students to improve their knowledge, especially the programs regarding science and technology are a big asset to students to improve their studies. Yes, Discovery Channel's serials based on science and technology, art and craft, weather and everything, the information what is happening around us makes a student aware and gives a lot of knowledge. So students, television as a weapon of knowledge contributes to our education and knowledge. Based on documentaries and information programs, give us insight on nature, our environment and political events. It also provides information on sports, discoveries regarding science and technology. This is how a television is also known as a weapon of knowledge. But yes, there are also disadvantages that we should keep in mind, and we should realize that spending too much of time in front of TV has many effects on our life and on our health as well. So students, I hope that the point discussed in this video are clear to you, and you will of course write a essay in your textbook of English 2 on, in your own words, that is television as a weapon of knowledge. Students, I kindly request you to like and share the video. Also subscribe the channel for your further notification. Thank you.